Hey guys! In part 8 of the building component, we'll be looking at how players can turn their buildings in any direction by pressing Q and E respectively. We use our third-person character and add the code when interacting with the buildings so that you can both interact and rotate the building with the same key. If you like the video, I would really appreciate a like and subscription. Have fun! At the beginning, we check whether our build mode is active and our ghost mesh is also valid, so that the player cannot rotate the building in the background without noticing anything. You can also add more code for your game in the false branch path if you want to use the button for something else. Now we change our build transform variable on the rotation, while location and scale remain the same. To make the rotation smooth, we use a combine function, which combines two rotations to give you the resulting rotation. Then we use a delay node, which we set to 0.01, so that after the time has elapsed, it checks again whether the branch path is true and should play the function again. This means that you don't have to keep pressing the Q key, just leave it pressed. Now, we use a gate node which controls the execution flow, which means that only when the gate is opened, the code can be played afterwards, and as soon as the gate is closed, the execution flow stops and the code is interrupted. This gives us more control over our rotation function, and does not add any more rotation once we have stopped pressing the Q button. The advantage of using the build transform variable is that once we have added a certain rotation to any building, this is saved and automatically carried over to the next building, so the player can place their buildings as desired more quickly. I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next part, we will take care of the fact that the different building parts can no longer overlap, as you can currently build the different building parts into each other as you like, which doesn't really look nice and could disrupt the player's workflow later on. I would be very happy if you could like the video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. See you next time!